I have made this body of work specifically for this cathedral, and it's all a series of boats in a fleet that are sailing through the cathedral. They are all made of entirely natural materials that I have gathered. The materials come from the beach, they come from the forest floor, the landscape in general.
I think what I love most about these beautiful, ephemeral, fragile boats is that they are sited in this enormous, majestic building that is made of stone and had been here for thousands of years. And it's wonderful that the boats that sail up the staircase are the exact same steps where pilgrims for hundreds of years have climbed on their knees up the same staircase.
Each of these boats represents an individual person, and each contain the life of a person. So they are all unique, and the work is materials driven. So I don't think I'm going to make a boat like that. I make a boat that the materials suggest what kind of boat it should be, and it's very intuitive how they are made and how they are placed.
The participation of the community was a really important part of the project. We wanted people to create their own boats, and through creating their own boats to talk about their own journeys, their own life journeys. We all have hopes and dreams and aspirations and challenges that go on in our lives. And these boats are very fragile, and they talk to us about the fragility of our lives.
The process of making the work for the exhibition, I have discovered how to use these materials, and I evolved and refined my process and widened my horizon. So it's been an amazing journey for me, actually, as well as for the work.